Hey guys, welcome back to Helpful Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CPU beeping sound. First step, identify beep pattern. Note the sequence, length and repetition of beeps. In the next step, determine BIOS type. For this, find your BIOS manufacturer via System Information Tools or Motherboard documentation. The next step, interpret beep codes. For AMI BIOS, 5 beeps means CPU failure, 8 beeps mean display memory error, and continuous beeping means RAM not detected. And if you're using Avoid BIOS, then 1 long 2 short beeps means video card error, while repeating high or low beeps means CPU overheating. For CPU issues, ensure proper seating, check for bent pins and verify cooling system. And for RAM issues, reseat modules or replace faulty ones. And if you're facing video errors, then reseat or replace the graphic card. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tips.